Years, two young girls say Daryl LeMasters molested and videotaped them naked inside Coffee Masters in Flat City. Police say the girls' descriptions led them straight to a silver camcorder and more.
Was it?
That sounds like a chicken. Cluck, cluck.
Kinda. So inconsistent. You're really going good there for a while. Oh wow.
That was a good one. Oh. That was not a good face.
That's the beginning of the end for him, I think.
What are you doing?
Where are you going, dude? Where are you going? How long's that thing been going?
2 minutes. I'll just send it to Mom and Dad.
It's gonna take forever to upload.
It's okay.
Yeah, we got nothing but time, right? Oh, excuse you.
Oh my goodness. You say hi, Nana and Papa. Hello.
There, he was him by himself.
Just about.
Excuse you.